Hey everybody, today we will be doing a review on my Sophia Webster Puma collab sneakers. I had them for like, I think 2017. It's been a while, but they are so freaking awesome. I love these sneakers. It's COVID-19, right? We're dressing down. Like, this is also part of the Sophia Webster collab, I think. Princess Puma. It is a very feminine jersey. Right up my alley. But if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, I DIY, I do comparison bags, review on bags, plus more, then please like and subscribe. I think I messed up. Doesn't matter. But if you want to talk fashion style or just ask about these shoes, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. Here they are. Now these are authentic. There are certain things that I stick to my guns about authenticity. So these are one of them. This is the, I think it's 2017 Sophia Webster collab with Puma. It's called Muse Echo Glitter SW Orchid Hush Illusion Blue. I kept my box in like pristine condition, and here it is. It includes the Sophia Webster Puma tissue, and here they are. Let's just take one out. These sneakers, me and these sneakers have been through a lot. We traveled to Australia together. I wore them in Hawaii. I did purchase the lighter color one, so it was hard and tough to kind of clean it because I love keeping my sneakers in pristine condition, but you can see it's so cute. It has this like lace kind of moment with glitter, and there's a little unicorn in the back, and it's like probably when the sock type shoes were coming out, so it's a couple years back, and I just won't part with these shoes because they're so adorable. You can see it has the Puma insignia there on the tongue. The bottoms are dirty because I have worn them when I used to travel before COVID-19. And they're just a lovely shoe. The lace is like a light pink. And if you could see, the sole does have glitter. It is an amazing shoe and really comfortable. Here's the other side. The bottom is so gorgeous. It's really comfortable. It's a really good travel shoe. It's a good travel shoe. For me, it is. And I'm thinking my Converse, the new platform Converse, is gonna be a good travel shoe also as well, but this gives you a different kind of look. These kind of sneakers give you that unique look. You can't go wrong with these Sophia Webster Puma collab sneakers. They're so comfortable. These have been my travel shoes when I traveled. Ooh. Only problem is, it is a to clean. But the awesome thing is, it goes well with my Chanel iridescent bag. As you can see, because my shirt has like that hologram iridescent moment, it pretty much goes with all of it. This is the outfit for me. Pretty much go well together. They do have like a black and orange one I want to purchase, but because these are like all sold out, you gotta find them pre-loved. In my size 7, it's really hard to find. If you find them, please let me know. Here it is, folks. My Sophia Webster Puma collab sneakers. What I love about the sock type sneakers is, like, I don't feel like I have to lace these up or tie them, so I kind of like it just like this. This is like something I would just casually wear to the airport. Yes, it's extra, but that is me with this bag, which I believe we might be going somewhere soon, hopefully, because we did get our COVID vaccination. But if you can see that this looks really adorable with this outfit, you don't have to always dress up. You always could have a cute pair of sneakers, or like, this is Zara, so I think I bought these for like 20 bucks on sale, but they're like a Zara satin like jogger. And this is a cute, like, this is a cute jersey I purchased online like a few years back. See, I think it's from, yeah, Sophia Webster. This cute jersey, like during, I don't know, like when I purchased these cute ass Puma sneakers. I wore these in Australia, visiting family. My cousin was getting married, so why not? And they were super comfortable. Took them to Hawaii, and I was a little bit nervous about Hawaii because Hawaii is humid and it gets muddy at places. So I took them, but I only wore them to the airport, if that makes sense, because I do not want to get these dirty, because it is like it'll soak up, because the fabric, it'll soak up like dirt, and I want to keep it like stain free. We're gonna go somewhere. I'm kind of excited to say we might go somewhere. Thanks everybody for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day, and bye.